For extra movement today, we're going to do a variation of the cloud hands movement. You're going to round the arms, bringing the energy ball out in front of the lower belly. Again, the palms face each other, shoulders are soft, knees are bent, thumbs are relaxed. Pulse on the energy ball, move the hands horizontally, feel the density of the ball, feel the connection between the hands. Now taking a long, slow, deep inhalation, raise the ball up. Bring the hands in front of the face. You pause for just a second. Then continue raising the hands, turning the palms facing out. The hands reach into the clouds. Exhaling. Now inhaling, you arch the hands, opening wide into a T. Now bending at the elbows, the arms come in a little bit, the hands rotate down, and now you complete the movement with the hands floating down, pressing the chi from the center of the palms all the way down. Hands come back together in front. Now, as always, if you can, see if you can follow my breathing pattern. If you need 2 breaths or 3 breaths, you know it's all good, better, best. So here we go, breathing in, raising the hands up. The sides of your face, you're looking out the window of life. As you release the breath, the hands move towards the cloud. Inhaling, there's a slight break in the wrist as the fingers point towards each other as you arch the hands. Big energy arch coming into that T, bending at the elbows, palms facing down, guiding the energy, floating back down, kind of like Iron Man hovering there with those jets of chi coming out of your palms. Breathing in, raising the hands up. Pausing at the face just for a second or two, then continuing as you release the breath to the heavens. Breathing in, arching down. Releasing the breath at the T, bending the elbows, pointing the palms down, floating down, projecting the chi. You project from one hand to the other. Let's do one more. Raising the energy up on the inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful.